So this is the front of my porch area. It's a pretty good light for the most part, you know. It shines pretty much my whole front porch. Of course, it doesn't give the super bright light, but I mean, for this purchase, you know, it's pretty good. Very well pleased with the light, you know. Like I said, it's pretty bright. So that's pretty much about how big my porch is. This does turn on with the fan. That's the low speed. Gives out okay air. On high speed, that's the noise level. It does give a pretty good wind blow on high. I don't know the battery life on this thing, as I just bought it today, or just received it today, but that's the hook. So it's pretty cool, you know. It just tucks away like that. It does, you know, tilt. This also moves up and down.
So you could turn on the fan and the light at the same time. That's high, that's low, and there's two different ones. And all you do is you open it that way. That's where the batteries go. And then you could always hang it, or you could put it down and hold it. It needs two D batteries. These were at Walmart for about $7 and some change, and it came with 4 of them.
The batteries, they are brand new. This is the positive side, like you said, and the other one is the negative, which should be this part, this side. It does not work. Close it just in case.
So here's the fan. The stand thing sets up pretty nice. It's pretty sturdy. See, like it didn't fall. This does come off, so you can change the batteries and put that in there. It does hang while I put it in my tent to test run it, like this. I bought this for my dog because she gets hot, so the light's pretty bright as well. Like, that's pretty bright, in my opinion. And then the fan goes pretty high for running on.
Anyways, okay, so this is the one that I'm reviewing on. This is a new one I got today. I'm going to show you the difference it makes. Okay, turn yours on. Okay. Turn it off. Now I'm going to turn this one on.
So this is the little fan. It's pretty bright. It lights up our whole tent, rooftop tent. Very nice. Multiple modes for actual fan. You can put a fan on high or low, and then this also tilts, so you can have it face whatever. You can have the light face one way and the fan.